In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give Photopea permission in just a few simple steps using the quickest method in Chrome. This is a helpful fix if Photopea is asking for access to your camera, clipboard, notifications, or other browser permissions, and you want to enable them fast without digging through complicated settings. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Photopea in Google Chrome and look at the far left side of the address bar. You'll see the sliders icon there. Go ahead and click that icon. This opens a quick permissions menu for the website you're on. In that drop-down, Chrome will show you a list of permissions that Photopea has recently requested. Depending on what you were trying to do, you may see options like camera, clipboard, or notifications. Now look through the list and find the permission you want to allow. To turn it on, simply click the toggle switch next to that permission. When it's enabled, the switch will turn blue, which means Photopea now has access to that feature in your browser. This is the fastest way to grant access without going into advanced settings. After you change the permission, Chrome will usually show a small banner asking you to reload the page. This is important because the new permission setting won't fully apply until Photopea refreshes. So just click reload on that banner and let the page load again. Once the page comes back, Photopea should now be able to use the permission you turned on. If you enabled the camera, it can access your camera. If you enabled the clipboard, it can paste or copy more smoothly. And if you turned on notifications, you'll start receiving them as needed. If the permission still doesn't work right away, double check that you clicked the blue toggle and reloaded the page properly. Sometimes a quick refresh is all it takes. And that's it. You've now learned how to give Photopea permission using the quick Chrome method. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.